Hey, let me show you all the best camera tips and tricks for the Realme C67. And it actually works the same for the 4G and the 5G version. So first I'm gonna show you my favorite option. That's the 108 megapixel mode. And with this mode we can actually get more details on the photos. In the 5G you can find the 50 megapixel mode, and on the 4G you can find the 108 megapixel mode. And now when you take a photo with this mode, you can actually find definitely more details when you take a look for any object that is actually captured in this photo. So take a look how close we can actually zoom in, and we can actually basically find the structure of this button. And this function really gives you like more quality on your photos. Next, let's move into the standard photo mode. And if you want to zoom in or zoom out, you can for sure do this by pinching screen. But my favorite way to do this, it's by holding one of the selected preset of the zoom. And now with this slider, you can smoothly zoom in and zoom out. And as you can see in this smartphone, you can actually zoom in into the 20 times. So that's really cool. Also, when you click on the preset, you will click and hold, you will unlock this additional presets between the 5x and the 10x. And that's how we can quickly zoom in and zoom out. And there's also one additional way how we can do this. By clicking on the three lines in the right upper corner, you can open the settings, and from here you can find the volume button action, and you can actually change function from shutter to zoom. And now when you click volume up, you will smoothly zoom in. If you click and hold volume down, you will also smoothly zoom out. So as you can see, there's few ways how we can use this function on this phone. Next, when you click on the screen, you can also quickly adjust the brightness level by moving this icon into the swipe up and down to decrease or increase brightness level. You can also do this automatically by clicking on the screen once. When you tap right here on the right bottom corner, you can find some filters. And as you can see, the filters also change the color and the temperature on our photos. And we can find a lot of different filters. This one is actually my favorite, the Cyberpunk. Let's go back for the original. And next we can simply click on this settings icon to open the settings, where you can find other useful options. For example, we will be able to go into the sharing methods, and as you can see in this phone, we can enable function tap to capture and show the palm of the hand to the selfie camera to take the photo. So now let's take a look how it works tap to take. Now when you click on the screen, your phone will automatically adjust brightness level, focus, and it will take the photo. So it's really cool. And when you turn on this function, you can show the palm of your hand and the photo will be also taken. Next, let's go back into the settings, because we can find other useful options. Right here we can also find the quick launch. So now when the screen is off, and when I'm gonna quickly double tap the volume down button, I can quickly open the camera. And as you can see, it was open the street mode to take the quick snapshot. And here we can quickly change the lenses. There's low camera shutter speed, so we will be able to quickly take the photos. Next, when you go into the video mode, we can also switch between the Full HD and the HD. And also right here we can set some filters. We can also find right here the night mode. So when you are outside and there's like no good lighting condition, I can recommend you to use the night mode. When you go into the more modes, we can find, for example, the Pro mode, the panorama mode, dual video mode. That's also really interesting. When you click on it, you can actually record videos at the same time from the two cameras, so from the rear camera and from the selfie camera. When you click right here, you can change the theme, so we can get picture in the picture, or this second theme with the picture in the picture. And honestly, that's all camera tips and tricks for the Realme C67. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next one.